friends, what's up? That was actually louder than I expected it to be, but sometimes I just don't know how loud I'm gonna be until I talk, you know? It just be like that sometimes. Today, we are on my main channel because I thought that more of the world needed to see me make biryani. If you guys don't know, I actually have been vlogging on my second channel because I made a second channel for just vlogging and shit. So if you want to see more like daily vlogs and stuff, go check that out. That's always in like the description box below. It's just BodmonZaid on the YouTubes. People fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of in the locker room. All I always do is laugh. High vibes cause enough to play your ass. If I said you season, even easy, flipping around for what you need. They not such a piare. I'll let they pal pal baad. Kalyani kat diya raat. Take something, make you say you love me. Oh Lord, and you say you had a boyfriend. You're happy, Baba. Jojo's happy, Baba. Jojo's happy. Too bad you can't have some of my biryani. You're the cutie pies. You're the cutie pies. You're the cutie pies. I, of course, have never made biryani in my life. But I know somebody that's made lots of biryani. She just happens to be my mom's. Are you gonna help me?
No, why?
Why? How am I supposed to know even the steps if you don't help me? She's gonna tell me the steps from there while watching her dramas. First thing that we need to do while I wait for the meat to defrost is grab yourself a cutting board and we're gonna cut up 4 onions, but my mom says we may need more than 4 onions because we're not sure how much we're making yet. Cheddar over here thinks I'm cutting some food for him, and I am not. Onions are poisonous for dogs, sir. So unless you want to die, I cannot give you any. Ew, these onions had dirt on them. Looks like there will be some dirt in the biryani, but it'll be mixed with masala so you won't taste it. My mom is not trying to help me make some good biryani. Mom, you just want your biryani to be the best biryani in the house? You're jealous. You're scared that my biryani might be better. Ah! So mom realized that we didn't have any oil, so I went and got some oil, and then in the meantime mom cut some more onions, and normally we use the red onions, but we didn't have enough of both, so we used some red onions and some white onions. I've never seen fear in my mom's eyes. You see fear in her eyes today. Because mom is scared that my biryani will be better than hers.
Oh yeah, very liable.
That's why you're not giving me that many tips and tricks.
There is no tips and tricks, nothing.
That's what they all say, mom. Don't touch it!
Live.
Damn it! No, I need to cook it! You are so evil. How am I supposed to tell them how much I put?
Well,
she don't let me do anything. Okay, so now we put this on high heat and we put all the onions in this big dechka or pot until they're golden brown. Mama, you need to stop touching my utensils. I have 2 big alus, potatoes. I keep calling them alus. We're gonna cut them in pieces like this big. Just gonna chop them up, mans. So when you peel the potatoes, you gotta soak them in water after because otherwise they will turn black. So just peel them and then soak them, and then I'm finding that even after you soak them, they're actually easier to cut. I feel like that's not enough potatoes, but this is all we got, this much. And then the onions are frying over here. They're sautéing. And you guys are probably wondering, like, that's a big pot. But, I mean, if you're making biryani, you gotta make lots of it. And then you gotta share with everybody. Okay, I'm getting in trouble because apparently I cut the potatoes too small. And then she said you could have made potato bhujia. I don't know what potato bhujia is. Sounds like a bad word to me.
everything is bad word for you.
Bhujia? Bhujia doesn't sound like a bad word. Yeah, it sounds like get your bhujia away from me. Or get the bhujia away. 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 tomatoes that we're gonna cut. Chote chote cubes. Chote chote cubes.
I can do for you if you want.
Mom, this is my cooking show. Your cooking show is on Zaid Delicious. That's why you don't want me to do good.
Why?
Because you are in competition of me. Yeah.
That's it. 1 second के लिए नहीं बैठना.
Are you eating banana? I chopped up the 6 tomatoes. That was a lot of tomatoes. And now over here, I have 6 cups of basmati rice. And then I'm gonna wash it and then fill it with water so they can start soaking in the water. Mom got me some drumsticks. I mean, depending on what kind of meat you want and how much, you guys just decide, but I'm gonna put this much. I know that a lot of like great cooks probably make their own masalas and shit and like have their own secret recipe masalas, but I'm just gonna use straight up Shan packet masala. This is the Shan Bombay biryani mix. So I got 2 of these packets that I'm gonna put in this. And if you guys have like a really good masala mix and stuff for your biryani that you don't mind sharing, maybe you can leave that down below for somebody that wants to cook it like from scratch. I don't want to do that because I feel like if it's there for you, why not? So we have some ginger garlic paste, and I'm gonna put 2. That's 1, and then 1 more, 2. So now we're gonna put all the tomatoes that we cut into it. That's a lot of tomatoes. There's 1 packet. Ooh, these come with elaichis and everything in it?
Yeah, everything.
So then why do people even custom make their own? Oh, my nose made like it. Guys, look, these come with full like elaichis and stuff. I have to sneeze. And now I'm gonna mix all of this. And then don't forget the potatoes because the potatoes take the longest to get soft. So we're grabbing the chicken now. And then you know in Pakistan how there's the people who make the big in the tele and they make the big pots? I feel like that right now. This is how it looks with all the chicken. So now you gotta just wait till the chicken is fully cooked through and also the potatoes, because the worst thing about biryani sometimes is uncooked potatoes. You don't want like potatoes that feel like apples, you know what I mean? So we're gonna let it cook, and then after that we're gonna add the rice and everything else. But look at this guy. He's sitting on top of the air vents because he likes how it feels. We put some water and we're gonna let that boil because we're gonna put the rice in it. So just cover it with the lid, and that's the fastest way. Put it on high heat, and then when that starts boiling, I'm gonna add the rice from here. Cut off all of these little stems. This is kind of dangerous.
Yeah, it is dangerous.
Don't forget to put salt into the rice water, like lots of salt. Don't forget that, that's important. And then a little bit of oil so the rice doesn't stick, right? Yes. Me smart. The potatoes are cooked through now, and the meat is also all cooked through, which is good. So now we have to let it dry a little bit. So don't want it to be as liquidy. So we put in about 4 tablespoons of crushed tomatoes, and just gonna mix that in. And then we're gonna let the water dry up a bit because it's a little too watery. Okay, so now it's time to put the rice in. This is dangerous stuff, man. Yo, we make so much. It's funny because I was about to just tell you guys that I've never like cooked food before, like ever. I've made like pastas and stuff, but I've never made like desi food, like brown food. So if this video is something that you guys like, the next video that I want to try is trying to make rotis, because that definitely is not something I've never made before. Like rice I've made, but like roti,
Mama never made so much.
My mom's like, even she hasn't made it in so long. So if this video is something you guys like, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, tell me that you like it, and then I'm gonna try to make some round roti, and I think that one will be a lot more funny. So the rice is in here, the masala is all the way at the bottom. So now we're gonna add color, because you guys know biryani needs to be yellow. And the way we do that, you put some food coloring into water and then you mix it, because biryani doesn't look like biryani until it has like that little orange or yellow tint to it. Ooh, cool.
Yeah, that's it.
And then you gotta put the mirchis on top, and then you put the lid on it, and then you dum it, right? Oh, you gotta also put fried onion? Whoa! New things I'm learning, you guys. And then you're supposed to put fresh mint, but we only have dried mint, so you put that on top as well. So you gotta make a hole in it because there's too much rice. Oh, I did not know that. These are new things I'm learning. And then you just cover it. So now you just gotta put some aluminum foil on it, cover it, and then put the lid on top, and then you let it cook or dum for half an hour. It is time.
Okay, ध्यान से खोलना.
for the reveal.
The course. Okay. No,
Oh, it
you
smells
didn't.
so good.
Don't put it in my jar. You almost put some stuff in my jar.
Guys, look at this deliciousness. All the way from the bottom to the top. Whoa!
Lava's
This
mouth
looks-
watering.
Delicious. How do you know my mouth is yours watering? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, you have to be gentle with the
Yeah, I broke
biryani,
the
you know.
chicken.
Yeah, see?
I broke the chicken, look.
And you're gonna mash all the potatoes too. So
Oh, but how do you be gentle with biryani? Oh,
Take-
I broke another chicken.
Lava, stop it.
What are you doing?
Waiting to
Are you waiting for biryani? So maybe I'm gonna give Sana a call and see how far she is because she's at work and Osama's at work and they both are gonna go for the movies, but I asked them to come home so they can do a little taste test. The goal is to get an 8 out of 10 average. If my dad was here, he would give it like 100 out of 10 without even eating it.
Such a cheater. Your dad.
My dad wants me to win at all times, so I already know he's looking at this saying, wow, 100 out of 10. Oh no, mama, chicken!
I know,
Oh
you
no!
did everything like.
It's happening. For the first time, you had to stand there.
Yeah. So next time when I come, you make it and surprise me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Every day, Mom. You just come downtown. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. Can you hurry? Mom, you're taking forever. The suspense. It probably tastes just like yours. Is it just like yours?
It's just like that.
Alright, the moment of truth. The most important opinion. My own. Really good. Tastes just like my mom's. And that was the goal. Thanks to Shan Bombay Biryani. Cheddar trying to get that biryani. What's happening there, Cheddar? She not giving you any? How dare she? Look who's home! The one that feeds Cheddar bad food. That's why.
She's finally here. She's gonna give me some biryani. Were you waiting for some biryani?
You look at him, he's just like, yeah, she's been abusing me. Yeah. You have to rate it out of 10. Oh, Mom, what did you rate out of 10?
Oh. 10 by 10.
10 by 10. What are you gonna rate it out of 10?
So good. Because Mama made
10
it.
for sure.
Mom, you're such a hater. 10.
Oh, good.
10.
Potatoes in here?
Yeah. Mom, do I smell jalan? Ooh, something is burning here, you guys. Something is burning? Something is burning? Ooh, Mama, you jealous?
Comment below, she's gonna make.
I smell something burning.
But one time Sana learned too, she never tried
Yeah.
it.
It's confusing with all the pieces.
It's confusing. I was like,
I
wait.
made it with mom's guidance.
Okay, now
I mean,
how
it's
much
my
should I
first chance. Take as much as you want, yo.
take? No.
Biryani calories don't count.
Calories right now.
Taste test, the biryani expert here.
Come on.
Mom's gonna, I already feel the jealousy coming, Mom. Oh yeah, it's only Tuesday. You guys started yesterday, right? Dun 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 dun.
That's not bad. It's
Gotta
pretty
rate
good,
it out of
but-
10.
Huh?
You gotta rate it out of 10. Wait, what was the but?
Compared to mom's?
Just no, in general, rate it out of 10.
No, I don't rate.
No, you're a mom's like little chamcha. No, look at her over there. She knows.
Oh, yeah. Compared to mom.
I will rate it like a 7. It's missing that like that
Imli?
masala imli kind of thing.
See, we only put 2 packets. How many packets do you normally put of shan
I'm
masala?
not telling you your recipe.
You put 3. She told me to put 2 packets. And she puts 3.
Mom, you sabotaged you.
Wow. Let's go?
Cheddar, where are you going?
Let's go.
No, Cheddar, no.
Come on, let's go.
No, Cheddar, no.
He knows we're going. Bye, Cheddar.
Bye.
Bye.
Cheddar, you wanna go?
You wanna go? Let's go? Cheddar, let's go?
No. Say bye.
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 Bye. Okay, let's go. So the plan was that I would drop some biryani home to UZAIR and then he would judge it for me, but he doesn't want it today. He wants it tomorrow. So I'm gonna turn the vlog off here. I hope you like this little cooking vlog. Follow my vlogging channel if you haven't yet. There's more vlogs on there all the time. Don't forget to subscribe here also, and I'll see you guys next time.